The following is a presentation by yours truly and Aquaplate's prepared media plates. Inhibitory responses with prepared media plates. What is an inhibitory response? Microbiologists often create conditions in media plates to optimize microbial growth. These conditions may include such things as a specific type of agar, temperature, gas composition, and relative humidity, among others. Sometimes, certain conditions may occur that can cause bacteria to grow slowly, deformed, have poor colony morphology, or not really grow at all. When we know microbes should grow, but they don't, we usually look for a reason for an inhibitory response, some kind of inhibition, something that's preventing them from growing well. That is something which retards or stops the growth of the target organism. So what causes inhibition of bacterial growth on a media plate anyway? Poor analytical technique can affect microbiological results. However, all things being equal, we'll assume here we're working with a talented analyst, like yourself, for example. Temperature. Most bacteria like a certain temperature range. Thermophiles, for example, like it hot, while mesophiles like it a little more temperate. Get it wrong, and the bugs won't grow very well. Inhibition of bacteria on a media plate. pH, or the level of acidity, can affect the growth of bacteria as well. Acidophiles like a low pH, while halophilic bacteria won't grow well at all unless they have plenty of salt to eat. Don't want to check their blood pressure. Airtime. Bacteria that need to use oxygen to metabolize are called aerobic or aerobes. If they don't need to use oxygen, they're known as anaerobes. Some bacteria can use oxygen if it's available, but can grow fine without it as well. This group is referred to as being facultatively anaerobic. Again, they can use oxygen if it's available, but can grow just fine if there's no oxygen available. As you can guess by now, there are myriad conditions that certain bacteria can grow in. We try to mimic the best we can what we may understand as the optimal environmental condition for growth of any particular organism we are targeting. Sometimes we need elaborate equipment like this glove box for anaerobic bacteria experiments. Positive controls in analyzing media plates are a pretty important part. A positive control is a prepared plate that is run with each batch of samples analyzed to assure that the conditions were met for growth of the target organism. Usually, a microbiologist or analyst would use organisms that they can be assured of the origin of, such as ones from the ATCC or American type culture colony. Accelerated responses of bacterial growth on prepared media plates. Sometimes we get more than we bargained for. Media plates sometimes can grow much more bacteria than we anticipated or expected for the given incubation time and conditions. Such events, where we see accelerated growth, can and do occur. There's always a reason for it. We just aren't always able to figure out why it happened. First thing to do in these cases is to check your instruments, equipment, and compare your accelerated growth plate with the known or control. We hope you've enjoyed this presentation about inhibitory responses on media plates, and if you'd like more information or more educational slides like this, stop by www.aquaplates.com.